Hi, my name is Laura Brown, and I am the Director of Alumni Relations here at Williamson College of the Trades. And I'm pleased to be sharing with you our newest professional resource for alumni, Tradesmen Connect. Tradesmen Connect is an online networking platform and directory that allows alumni to network with one another, search for jobs, find alumni connections at companies employing Williamson alumni, and more. The platform also allows you to offer your professional services and connections to other alums from Williamson. To get started, you'll go to this website, williamson.alumnifire.com. It'll take you to this landing page. This is where you'll come to sign up and to sign on for the platform. You can create your profile using your LinkedIn account, your Facebook account, or with your preferred email. Using your LinkedIn or Facebook account will help autofill some of the profile fields, making signing up that much quicker. If we have your email on record, you will be approved automatically to join. If not, you can expect to be approved within 1 to 2 business days. Once you create your profile and sign on, you will be brought to the Newsfeed page. Here you will see information updated by the college. Members can also post to the Newsfeed with job asks, offers, and other discussions. On the calendar page, you can access all upcoming networking and career events, including our biannual career fair and alumni networking events. You can even add the events directly to your preferred calendar from the platform. One of the most powerful aspects of Tradesmen Connect is the member page. Here you can scroll through all of the alumni members. You can message them directly through the platform. You can also search for alumni based on various topic areas like education history, their trade shop, the dorm they stayed in, or the athletic team they were on while at Williamson. You can also use this heat map to find where alumni are located geographically. Another great benefit of Tradesmen Connect is the job board. Here you can see what employers are hiring, what jobs are available. You can even apply right through the platform. If you're an employer, you can post your job openings to the job board. Tradesmen Connect is powered by its alumni members. So visit williamson.alumnifire.com to set up your profile and start benefiting from having the Williamson Network right at your fingertips today.